Ever felt like your ETH is just sitting there, not living up to its full potential? Well, EtherFi might just be what your Ethereum holdings need to really shine. This innovative platform is revolutionizing Ethereum staking, promising to make your ETH work harder than ever before. In today's video, we'll dive into how EtherFi lets you stake and spend at the same time, supercharges your rewards, and puts you in the driver's seat of your crypto journey. So buckle up as we explore the world of liquid staking and discover if EtherFi could be your ticket to maximizing your Ethereum holdings. EtherFi was created as a response to the complexities and limitations of traditional Ethereum staking. Founded by Mike Silagadze, who currently serves as a CEO, EtherFi draws strength from a seasoned leadership team. Chuck Morris leads a technical development as Vice President of Engineering, while Kopp oversees customer relations. This experienced team launched EtherFi with a clear vision to democratize and enhance Ethereum staking for everyone. The project's journey began in early 2023, quickly growing momentum. A significant milestone was reached in November of the same year with the launch of the eETH token. This wasn't just another cryptocurrency token, it represented a fundamental shift in how Ethereum staking could be approached. More about this token in a bit. EtherFi's core innovation lies in its liquid staking model, which allows users to stake their ETH without the long-term lockups typically associated with traditional staking methods. But how exactly does all this work? At the heart of EtherFi is the concept of liquid staking. Basically, when you stake your ETH with EtherFi, you receive an equivalent amount of eETH tokens in return. These eETH tokens serve as a liquid representation of your staked ETH. However, the key advantage here is flexibility. While your original ETH continues to generate staking rewards, you can use the eETH tokens in various DeFi applications. This dual functionality allows your assets to work harder for you, potentially increasing your overall returns. EtherFi takes this a step further with its native restaking mechanism. This feature automatically compounds your staking rewards, meaning the rewards you earn are reinvested to generate even more returns. It's an efficient way to grow your holdings without requiring constant manual intervention. A crucial partnership that enhances EtherFi's offering is its integration with EigenLayer. This collaboration allows users to earn additional rewards on top of their regular staking gains. By leveraging EigenLayer's technology, EtherFi can offer users the opportunity to participate in securing various blockchain services, further diversifying their potential income streams. We've actually covered EigenLayer in depth in another video. If you haven't seen it yet, we recommend checking it out after this one to get a fuller picture of how these platforms work together. One of EtherFi's standout features is its commitment to non-custodial staking. Unlike many staking services that require you to hand over control of your assets, EtherFi allows you to retain ownership of your private keys throughout the staking process. This approach significantly reduces counterparty risk and aligns the core principles of decentralization that underpin the cryptocurrency ethos. Let's look at some of EtherFi's key features. The eETH token, as we mentioned earlier, is central to the platform's liquid staking model. It provides the flexibility to utilize your staked assets in the wider DeFi ecosystem. The automatic restaking feature, which is powered by the native restaking mechanism, optimizes your returns by continuously reinvesting your rewards. EtherFi has also implemented an innovative security system by using TNFTs, or transferable non-fungible tokens, and BNFTs, or bound non-fungible tokens. These tokens play a crucial role in the safe exchange of validator keys with node operators, adding an extra layer of security to the staking process. Another user-friendly feature is EtherFi's permissionless withdrawal system. This allows you to access your staked ETH or rewards whenever you need them, without lengthy waiting periods or complex approval processes. It's a significant improvement over traditional staking methods that often lock up your assets for extended periods. For more advanced users, EtherFi offers Operation Solo Staker. This feature comes in two variants, Path 1 and Path 2. Path 1 is a permissionless option that requires 2 ETH bond and uses distributed validator technology, or DVT, to allow stakers to validate and secure the blockchain. On the other hand, Path 2 is designed for users willing to commit to operating a node for 2 years, allowing them to solo stake using DVT without the need for a bond. Now, let's turn our attentions to EtherFi's tokenomics. The platform operates with two primary tokens, eETH and ETHFi. As we've discussed, eETH is the liquid staking token you receive when you stake your ETH. It's designed to be a 1:1 representation of your staked Ethereum, allowing you to maintain liquidity while earning staking rewards. ETHFi, on the other hand, is the governance token of the platform. It gives holders voting rights on key decisions affecting the protocol's operations and future development. The total supply of ETHFi is capped at 1 billion tokens. This supply is distributed across various stakeholders. 32.5% is allocated to investors and advisors, 27.24% to the DAO treasury, 23.26% to the team, 11% for airdrops, 3% for liquidity, 2% for the Binance launch pool, and 1% for the protocol guild. It's worth noting that the majority of tokens allocated to the team and investors are subject to a vesting schedule. Most of these tokens will be unlocked linearly from 2025 onwards, with the bulk of the token supply becoming available by 2028. This vesting schedule helps align long-term incentives and prevents sudden market flooding. In addition to eETH and ETHFi, EtherFi has introduced eETH, a wrapped version of eETH. eETH is designed for multi-chain use, enabling it to operate across various different blockchain platforms. This allows users to access a broader range of DeFi applications beyond the Ethereum mainnet, leveraging its versatility for enhanced asset utilization. ETHERFI has also implemented an airdrop program to distribute ETHFi tokens to early adopters and active community members. To be eligible for the airdrop, you need to meet certain criteria. These include participating in the early adopter program, holding ether.fan NFTs, owning eETH or eETH tokens, participating in eETH or eETH DeFi pools or vaults, or being a referrer in the EtherFi ecosystem. The airdrop is being conducted in multiple seasons. While the second season concluded on June 30th, 2024, there's good news for those who missed out. The third season kicked off on July 1st and will run until September 14th, offering a fresh opportunity to participate. Depending on when you're watching this video, there's still ample time to participate in this airdrop round. This season holds a potential pool of 25 million ETHFi tokens up for grabs. If you're interested in maximizing your chances in this round, you can boost your Season 3 points by collecting passport stamps. These stamps are earned by participating in various EtherFi events and activities, giving you more ways to increase your potential airdrop allocation. Looking at EtherFi's roadmap, we can see a clear progression of milestones and future plans. The project has already accomplished several key objectives. These include launching their delegated staking service, integrating solo node operators, implementing the first phase of DVT, open sourcing their smart contracts, launching eETH, implementing DAO governance, and introducing the Liquid ETH Vault. Looking ahead, EtherFi has some exciting developments in the pipeline. First off, they're working on the second phase of DVT integration, which aims to fully automate the process for solo stakers. Another interesting upcoming feature is ether.fi Cash. This ambitious project plans to create a real-world spending account linked to users' EtherFi balances, complete with a mobile app and a credit card. In the long term, EtherFi is committed to contract ossification, a process of removing upgradability from their smart contracts to enhance security and decentralization. EtherFi has forged several strategic partnerships to enhance its offerings. Beyond the crucial integration with EigenLayer, they've partnered with Obel Labs to develop and implement distributed validator technology. Other notable collaborations include those with Maverick, Gravita, and Pendle, further expanding the platform's capabilities and reach within the DeFi ecosystem. Like any investment or financial platform, EtherFi comes with its own sets of advantages and potential drawbacks. On the positive side, EtherFi offers a non-custodial staking solution, giving users full control over their assets. The platform provides multiple income streams through staking, restaking, and DeFi integration, potentially maximizing returns. Its integration with EigenLayer opens up additional yield opportunities. Likewise, the focus on decentralization and security aligns well with the core principles of blockchain technology. And of course, the liquid staking model offers unparalleled flexibility in asset utilization. However, there are also some considerations to keep in mind. First off, the integration with EigenLayer, while beneficial, also exposes users to any risks associated with that platform. Next, the restaking mechanism, while potentially lucrative, might result in slightly lower pure ETH staking rewards. And like all blockchain projects, EtherFi's success is tied to the broader health and adoption of the Ethereum ecosystem. All in all, EtherFi stands out as a significant innovation in the Ethereum staking landscape. With its liquid staking model, integration with EigenLayer for enhanced yields, and commitment to user control through non-custodial solutions, EtherFi offers a compelling proposition for ETH holders. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.